Stop. You. Yes, you. Have you followed my Instagram? No? Well, what are you waiting for? Here I post more personal and aesthetic content. Link to my account is in the description. Hey girlies, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into some amazing beauty secrets using a product we all know and love, Vaseline. You might be surprised at just how versatile this little jar of petroleum jelly can be. From skincare to makeup hacks, I'm going to show you how to glow up with Vaseline. So let's get into it. Skincare savior. First up, let's talk skincare. Did you know that Vaseline can be your best friend when it comes to achieving soft, hydrated skin? Overnight moisturizing mask. Before bed, apply a thin layer of Vaseline all over your face, focusing on dry areas after your skincare. It acts as an occlusive barrier, locking in moisture and preventing water loss. You'll wake up with plump, hydrated skin. Dewy highlight. For that natural, dewy glow, dab a small amount of Vaseline on the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, and the tip of your nose. This gives you a fresh, radiant look without any shimmer. Lips to love. Moving on to lips. Who doesn't love soft, kissable lips? Vaseline is a game changer here too. Lip scrub. Mix a bit of sugar with Vaseline to create a gentle lip scrub. Massage it onto your lips in circular motions to exfoliate and reveal smooth, soft lips. Lip gloss alternative. For a subtle shine, apply a thin layer of Vaseline over your lipstick. It gives your lips that glossy finish without feeling sticky. Hair care hacks. Yes, you heard that right. Vaseline isn't just for skin, it can work wonders for your hair too. Taming frizz. Rub a tiny amount of Vaseline between your fingers and smooth down any flyaways or frizz. It's a quick fix for sleek, polished hair. Scalp treatment. If you have a dry, flaky scalp, massage a small amount of Vaseline into the roots before bed. Cover with a shower cap or bonnet and wash it out in the morning. This can help soothe irritation and lock in moisture. And there you have it. Some incredible beauty secrets using Vaseline. Whether you're looking to hydrate, shine, or style, this little jar has got you covered. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty hacks and secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful and keep glowing.